In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Asana tasks to Google Calendar. So Reclaim.AI, 5 minutes. By the end, your Asana tasks will automatically become time blocks on your Google Calendar using Reclaim.AI, so you can plan your work realistically without manual scheduling. Let's get started right inside Reclaim. First, sign up or log into your Reclaim account and head to the planner. In the top right corner, click your profile, then open Settings. From the sidebar, go to Integrations. This is where Reclaim connects to the tools you already use, so your tasks and calendar can stay in sync. Click Connect Asana and follow the prompts to grant access. Approve the permissions so Reclaim can read your tasks. This allows it to schedule them as calendar events on your behalf. Once connected, choose the Asana projects you want Reclaim to watch. Only tasks from the projects you select will sync, which is great for focusing on your highest priority work. You can change these selections anytime in the same integrations area. Now switch over to Asana and open a task you want to schedule. Click the Details button to open the task pane on the right. There, find the Schedule via Reclaim option and click it. This opens a pop-up where you'll give Reclaim just enough info to schedule the task smartly. Set a realistic time estimate for how long the task will take. If you're unsure, it's better to overestimate slightly so your calendar doesn't get too tight. Use earliest schedule date to prevent the task from being booked before you're ready to start. This is helpful for tasks that shouldn't begin until a certain day. Then choose your preferred scheduling hours to keep the work within your normal working times. These settings help Reclaim place the task where it fits best without interrupting focus time or critical meetings. When everything looks good, click Sync. Reclaim will analyze your availability and create smart time blocks on your Google Calendar. If meetings pop up or your day changes, Reclaim automatically reshuffles those blocks to protect your priorities. You'll see the task reflected both in the Reclaim planner and on your calendar, giving you a single source of truth for your schedule. If you don't see a task appear right away, give it a moment and refresh. You can always return to Settings and Integrations in Reclaim to confirm the right projects are selected or to add more. That's it. You've linked Asana and Reclaim so your tasks schedule themselves on Google Calendar, helping you stay organized and on track.